Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to start new unit, that is definitions, about definitions. So the previous units were concerned with describing things. When we describe things, we sometimes need to define them as well, especially in academic writing. So that is perfectly clear what we mean. We may also need to give examples of what we define and to classify. These will be covered in the following units. So here is stage 1, simple definitions. If you look in a dictionary for the word school, we may find school institution where children are educated. More formally in writing we would put a school is an institution where children are educated. Look at these other examples. A doctor is a person who gives medical treatment to people. Aluminum is a metal which is produced from bauxite. Note, who is used for persons, which is used for inanimate objects and animals, where is used to for places. Complete the following sentence in the same way as the example above. So here you have to put the exact word. Then next is join pairs of sentence by using relative clauses. So here next task is you have to like bronze is all alloy, it produced from copper and tin. Bronze is an alloy which is produced from copper and tin. The sentence in the box overlay have been mixed up, joining the 8 sentences on the left with the correct ones from the 10 on the right. Use the appropriate relative pronoun. So here this will be your task. You have to do this practice in this stage. Then third, so far in the definitions we have looked at the language construction has been trying to define plus verb plus general class word plus wh word plus particular characteristic, that is a botanist is a person who studies plants. 3 types of mistakes may occur when a short definition is being written. An example may be given rather than a definition. An example may of course follow a definition, but it should not take its place. The general class or particular characteristics may be omitted from the definition. It will then be incomplete. The word to be defined or another form of it may be used in the definition itself. Clearly, if the reader doesn't already understand the word, he/she will not understand the repeated use of it. Study the following definition. Each one contains one of the mistakes listed above. Analyze the type of mistake 1, 2, 3 listed above that has been made. Return the number of the type of mistake in the column provided. The first one has been done as an example. Here you have examples. Now definition, type of mistake. An ammeter is used to measure electrical current. So here you have number 2, that is mistake. You can read above if understandable. Now rewrite the definition above in the more satisfactory way. The first one has been done as example. An ammeter is an instrument which is used to measure electric current. So I think for this lecture this is enough. For next, inshallah, next stage we will cover in next lecture. Thanks for your presence. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.